Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about a celebrity.
Hi. Hello. Who is a famous celebrity that you admire? Well, I'm a big fan of Miley Cyrus, an American singer, songwriter, and actress. Why do you admire her? Well, she's at my age, but what she's achieved is acknowledged worldwide. What is special about her? I just fall in love with her beautiful voice. I can't stop listening to her songs, again and again. Is she well known worldwide? Yes, she is. She's a teen idol. Do you see her on TV or in reality? Most of the time I see her on TV. Do your friends love her, too? Yes, they do. We usually enjoy her songs, movies together. Do you want to be like her? Yes, being a well-known singer is my dream.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about a celebrity. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.